Day 137. We're done. Traded two stocks again today. This time on the short side. We live streamed it and it will be uploaded right after this little introduction. Two trades, RMO and SOS. RMO was a little bit of a headache. Definitely didn't feel so comfortable in that stock. Definitely was like, fuck, I don't know if this is going to be the best trade. Definitely had a lot of anxiety on it. SOS, however, a lot more comfortable, worked out really well, and covered really extraordinarily. I left a lot of money on the table. You'll see in the live stream how. But at the end of the day, we made money and we booked $477 today for day 137. So that is a continuing trend. So hopefully we can get another day after that. So anyways, day 137, we're done. I'm off, going to work. I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, I located some shares of RMO. I'm looking at this trade for a short. The reason why is because it's been extending crazy yesterday, all day. It just ran up. So I think we're a little overextended. So definitely want to try to go for this one. Definitely risky though, but I really like RMO here. It's hard to borrow. I'll locate some SOS as well. Do 1,000 shares of SOS. Can I get some? Yeah, I got some. Kind of liking a starter position right here. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna get a little starter position. Maybe I do 250. Nah, 500's fine here. Alright, we'll get a little starter here at 622, 500 shares. See if we can get filled. Alright, we're filled. I want to see it come down to 6. But we're definitely on the front side of the move, so I definitely want to be careful here. I'll probably retap some at around 650 area. Definitely could be early, but I got a feeling we give this room to 640, 645. 650, we can get some more short. I think we'll get a solid trade in. Tempted to tap some more here. It's 633, but I really want 640. I think 640 will tap. If I don't get 640, I just won't touch it. So I located 1,000 shares of this, but it doesn't mean I'm going to use my full size right now. I really want to scale into the winner. I want to see 6 break. If 6 breaks, then I'm going to scale into it. But right now, I'm just trying to let this trade work out. I could add and size in, but I think it's just way too risky for the front side of this move. So I'm just going to wait a little bit. All right, there it goes. Starting to go up. That's why I'm impatient, because it really hasn't. 620 is the support right now, and looks like 635 is the resistance. This really hasn't confirmed that it's failing, so it's really it's still looking like a nice uptrend. So just still gotta be careful. Now I'm gonna get started at 200 shares with this. RMO, I'm gonna get a nice little size. I wish I would have hit 12, but it's all good. 10 cents off is not the end of the world. See if we can get in at 1187. I think 1220 is gonna be a key level here. I'll put 200 shares on and then scale into the winner if it works out. Tough getting filled. We need some more volume anyways. I could hit it on the bid, but Alright, I hit it on the bid. That's fine. We'll hit it on the bid. Alright, we got 200 shares. Short. If we can get a little bit of pop towards 12, I'll probably add another 200. And just let it roll. Yeah, we'll let RMO sit for a little bit. I want to look at SOS. So I want to scale into this below 6. So I want to look for a wash into 6. Honestly, no, I won't take any off. I'm just going to scale into it. So as soon as we wash towards 6, it's going to bounce off 6, and then I'll look at re-adding some on a pop. Because at 608, there's VWAP. So it's not like straight down through 6. But there will be another pop, I know. Potentially. So I want it to touch here, and then I want it to bounce up. On any pop, I'll scale into it. Because this is a good fail follow through right here. It couldn't push up past 630. Let me see RMO. Yeah, RMO's starting to fail. Honestly, I think I'm going to scale into RMO here. Okay, trying to scale into RMO here. Trying to get filled at 1173. If we never get filled, we never get filled there. It's whatever. We got 20 shares filled. Got 20 more shares filled again. SOS working pretty well, but I cannot scale here. I need it to confirm that support's done. It looks like it's confirming. I mean, it's breaking right through 6010 or 610. All right, we got 400 shares filled on RMO. So we are finally fully scaled into RMO. SOS is failing pretty well right now. Okay, so that's good. SOS working out well. So now my goal is for any pop back up to 610 area. If I get a pop to 610, I will scale into the trade. Now, if it just keeps shooting down to like here, 560 area, I'm just going to have to take the profit, you know what I mean? But, you know, the goal is for it to have a very slow fade, not just a straight drop. And obviously, if it's a straight drop, if it drops too fast, you want to take profits. You don't want to hold on to it. I mean, 602 is looking like the resistance now, but I really feel like 605 is more the resistance, honestly. I'll just put an order at 605. It may just get filled. Yeah, I'm going to put an order at 605. So it like popped up to 604. I put 605, so missed out there, but it could try again. So we're at 601. I was not convinced it was done coming up, so you sometimes miss it, and I'm not going to chase it. There's no point in chasing a bad entry right now. I'd much rather just let this half my size just kind of run and take a profit from there. I mean, a good profit take spot is like 560, because 560 is around this area. It's a good, at least good start to a profit take. I mean, I could scale here, but I'd much rather scale, you know, at the 6th level, closer to the 6th level. If you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm going to take 605 off and see if I can get a little bit of a scaled position closer to 6. Watch it run away from me. Really heavy. I'm going to scale here, 593. I don't like it. It's a little bit of a chase, but I just got a feeling that it's going to die here. There we go. So now we're breaking into new low territory, which is what I want to see. What I've been waiting for. I'm ready. Come on. Let me get into profit. Let me get some profits off the table. But I'm going to wait. I'm not going to take it off now. Too early. I'm looking for 575. That's my spot. RMO came down, popped right back up. Interesting. I'm pretty comfortable with SOS just slow trending down, but RMO, I'm like, as I'm watching it, I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to start looking at bailing or potentially adding, to be honest. But it's risky, and I already have a pretty nice size on SOS, so it probably isn't the brightest idea. Now, it got rejected. Now, let's see what happens. Got rejected up here at 1220. Man, is this stock going to give me a headache today? Is this going to be the RMO that's going to be the one that gives me a fucking headache?
Is someone pumping SOS right now? What the fuck's going on? All right, RMO's failing. That's good. So we're below 12 now, which is great. I like that. Don't know why SOS isn't doing what I thought it was. I mean, actually. So RMO was giving me a little bit of a worry, a little bit of a scare. Ends up getting rejected at that 1220 level that I was talking about. And now we're looking like we're starting to fall down. So happy about that. We're at 1190. We're probably going to get to 1180 and then hold it off at 1180 or something like that. We got, nice. So we touched 1180 on RMO, which is what we expected. And SOS finally kind of making that move towards the direction I wanted it to. SOS doing what I like, doing what I thought it was. And we're about 10 minutes until open, so we're just going to watch it into the open and see what happens. So, okay. So RMO having trouble at the 585 level. That was that level earlier as well, right here when it touched right here. So it's having that same trouble. But once it breaks 585, or 575 is definitely coming. Very, very confident that 575 is coming if it breaks 585. 1180 looks like it's gonna break on RMO. So that's what we want as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my order at 575. So I got to order at 575. Just in case it like flushes real fast and I don't catch it. It's so tempting just to be like, I'm done, take it off real fast. And then I'm going to hate myself later. Let's get ready for the fun. RMO, don't do it to me, RMO, come on. Don't do it to me, RMO. Oh, I'm holding this for a little bit. All right, I'm going to take some off right now. I tried to take some off, but... Oh, there he goes. I got some off. See how far we can go. I'm going to take some more off. All right, I'm out. There we go. There we go. We're flushing there. Nice. We got a nice flush there. I'm going to take some off here. Because I think we could definitely get $11. Like another 50 cents here. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Let me get it. Come on, give me 11. If we hit 11, I'm out. I'm a happy camper at 11. Oh, I don't like this. Come on. There we go. Oh, I thought it was gonna break there. It looked like it was about to. No? Damn. Still holding. Yo, my SOS trade though. Holy. What a beast trade. Look at that cover. Took it all off and then it popped right back up. I probably could reshort some right now, but I'm in the middle of another trade. Come on. I see 11 coming, man. There we go. So we're either gonna take it all off if it goes back up to 1175, or we wait. And I want to see this go to 11. All right, back down to 1130. Moment of truth right here. Here we go. 1127. There we go. I'm getting out. I have an order at 1115. We're out. Let's go. I got out too early, but I'm happy. I'm really happy with it. I mean, we got out right at here at 1115. Yeah, maybe I could have waited for a couple more cents, but no, I'm pretty happy about it. SOS, oh man, I was so focused on RMO that I missed this little nice pop. This would have been a nice reshort right here. get a few more shares and then reshort it, and I could have covered a little bit more here. Would have been a good reactive trade. But I was focused on this right here. I was focused on this. And this cover, if I didn't cover here and then it came back up here, I would have just kind of been, I guess, shitting my pants. Not really. RMO, pretty good cover here too on this nice flush to 11. But that's it. That's all I'm going to do for today, man. I'm happy. I capitalized on the same pattern that I always do. And it's just this morning flush. Took it off. I was, man, if I only traded SOS, if I was not looking at this stock right here, RMO, I would have definitely re-hit some right here. I would have definitely gotten in a smaller position short and tried it again 100% after this cover. So, but I was looking at something else. I had to take this cover. I just took this off because I just didn't feel comfortable, so I took half off. And then amazing cover here. Sucks I didn't get more here, but eventually, you know, it would have worked out. So, okay, we are done with day 137. I have 583. And then we gotta, it costs money to borrow these shares, so we gotta take that. So I got about 1,000 shares of SOS. It's $8 right there. And then 400 shares of RMO. Plus 8, plus 50. Damn, look at SOS go. All right, we spent $74 in fees for shorting. So we spent $106 in fees. So subtract 583 equal. All right, we made $475. Or $477. It's not bad. It is not bad at all. All right, and that's it. I am done for today. So, great day. Day 137. We made $477. Can't complain. Yeah, so trade recap real fast. We traded SOS. We shorted up here at 622, and then we scaled in here. I wish I would have scaled in on this pop, but completely happy with it. Opened, it washed out, got out, we got out all of it, and then shoulda, coulda, woulda. I was even in the live session. I mean, if you look back at the video, even during live, I'm like, man, I really should re-hit this. I should really short this again, but I couldn't because I was watching RMO, and I wanted RMO to hit my final stop or my final trigger, which was 11.15. I said $11, but 11.15 is cool. I can't complain. So, anyways, day 137. That's a wrap. Yeah, thanks for watching.